Hello, today I will show you top 14 things to do in Bergamo, Italy. So let's start with the number 1, Basilica of St. Mary Major. Number 2, Museo di Scienze Naturali e Archeologico. Number 3, Piazza Vecchia. Number 4, Bergamo Venetian walls. Number 5, take the old funicular to the old town. Number 6, enjoy a fantastic meal at the Enoteca Zanini restaurant. Number 7, Colleoni Chapel. Number 8, Accademia Carrara. Number 9, Rocca Museum. Number 10, Bergamo City Gate. Number 11, shop on the popular Via 20 Settembre. Number 12, Baptistery of St. Mary Major. Number 13, take a day trip to Milan. Number 14 and the last one, Piazza Matteotti.